Hello, this is Peter from First Maths. Today we're looking at Year 5, Block 1 Assessment, Paper 2. Answers after each question. Let's have a look at today's question. Here we go. Question 1. Fill in the missing numbers. 6 times 6 equals what? B. 7 times 7 equals what? C. 8 times 8 equals what? D. 9 times 9 equals what? E. Now this is a trickier one. 7 times something equals 42. F. 56 equals 7 times what? G. 63 equals 9 times something. H. 8 times 6 equals something. I. 9 times something equals 72. What could it be? J. Something times 6 equals 54. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers were 6 times 6 equals 36. B. 7 times 7 equals 49. C. 8 times 8 equals 64. D. 9 times 9 equals 81. E. 7 times 6 equals 42. F. 56 equals 7 times 8. G. 63 equals 9 times 7. H. 8 times 6 equals 48. I. 9 times 8 equals 72. And J. 9 times 6 equals 54. Pause the video to check your answers. Here comes the next question. Question 2. I have a pear costs 7p, an orange costs 8p, grapes cost 9p, apples cost 6p. What is the cost of 8 pears? B. What is the cost of 7 grapes? C. What is the cost of 7 pears? D. What is the cost of 4 grapes? E. What's the cost of 9 oranges? F. What is the cost of 8 apples? G. What is the cost of 7 oranges? And H. What is the cost of 9 apples? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answers were 8 pears, 56p. 7 grapes, 63p. 7 pears, 49p. 4 grapes, 36p. 9 oranges, 72 pence. 8 apples, 48 pence. 7 oranges, 56 pence. 9 apples, 54 pence. Let's look at the next question. Question 3. Calculate 587 plus 475 equals what? 797 plus 546 equals what? 7,587 plus 675 equals what? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answers. The answers are 587 plus 475 equals 1062. 797 plus 546 equals 1343. 7,587 plus 675 equals 8,262. Let's look at the next question. Question 4. 754 take away 86 makes what? 724 take away 386 makes what? 9,324 take away 6,177 makes what? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here comes the answers. The answers are 754 minus 86 is 668. 724 take away 386 is 338. 9,324 take away 6,177 is 3,147. Pause the video to double check. Here comes the next question. Question 5. Look at the map which shows distances between towns in kilometres. What is the distance from St. Ives to London? Show your working out. B. It is 527 kilometres from London to Carlisle. What is the distance from Birmingham to Carlisle? Show your working out. Pause the video and work out your answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 512 kilometres, any method of working, 348 kilometres, any method of working. Question 6. Find the total of 57, 562 and 2,187. Show your working out. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 2,806. Any method of working. Question 7a. What is 127 times 7? Pause the video and work out your answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 889. Any method of working. Question 7b. What is 235 times 8? Pause your video and work out the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 1,880. Any method of working. Question 7c. What is 346 times 9? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 3,114. Any method of working. Let's look at the next question. Question 7d. Bill saved £7 every week for 1 whole year. How much did he save? Show your working. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is £364. Any method of working. Let's look at the next question. Jerry bought 9 26p stamps. How much did they cost? Show your working. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is £2.34 by any method of working. Question 8. Draw 3 lines to match the words to the correct triangle. For example, the first one is a right angled triangle. So which is an equilateral triangle, which is a scalene triangle, and which is the isosceles triangle? Pause your video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are the right angled triangle was here. The equilateral triangle here. Scalene triangle here. Isosceles triangle was here. Let's look at the next question. The next question is, use a ruler to measure these lines. And use a ruler to draw a straight line 72 centimeters long. Start from the dot. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers were, you'll need to measure it on the board. On a paper version, it was 66 millimeters, 37 millimeters, and 54 millimeters. Check the actual measurements. Allow 1 millimeter either way. Okay. Question 10. Mark the position with X to complete the square. What are the coordinates of position C? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is this. The coordinates for X is 5, 4. The coordinates for position C, 5, 1. Let's look at the next question. Question 11a. This bar line chart shows how many times each number was thrown when a dice was rolled 50 times. How many times was the number 3 thrown? Pause the video and until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 8. This line chart shows how many times each number was thrown when a dice was rolled 50 times. Which number was rolled most often? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. The answer is 5 was the most common. A group of children weigh themselves, look at their records. What was the most common math, the mode? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 33 kilograms. Question 12b. A group of children weigh themselves, look at their records. Who had a mass greater than 35 kilograms? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. The answer is Roy. Click on more of my videos. By simply clicking on the middle button, you can subscribe to my channel. You then click on the notification bell for extra features. You will be one of the first to know when I have uploaded new maths resources. Every one of my maths resources is designed to make maths teaching easier and more fun. To explore more of my First Maths channel, please click on one of the 2 videos here. Have fun and love teaching maths. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!